Bullish Vechain, VET, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.094579 and $0.178650 by 2030. Market examiners accept VET could reach $0.073562 by 2025. Bearish Vechain market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.016814. Vechain, VET, presentation. Since its generally unassuming starting points in 2015, the Vechain network has advanced and is rapidly drawing in worldwide consideration. As of now, in excess of 30 organizations inside the Fortune 500 run live arrangements on Vechain, including BMW, Deloitte, PwC, Walmart, LVMH, and Renault. This Vechain cost forecast guide will update you on all that you want to be aware of Vechain. Continue to peruse to figure out what Vechain is, from its elements to specialized investigation, authentic information, value forecasts, and that's just the beginning. What is Vechain, VET? Vechain, VET, is a self-created blockchain stage work to support inventory network the executives and smooth out business processes. The stage was established in 2015 by Bright Lu, a previous CIO of Louis Vuitton China. In its initial days, the VET token worked exclusively as a feature of the Ethereum blockchain. The pioneers, nonetheless, had a few loftier objectives as a main priority. In 2018, Vechain completely rebranded itself and progressed onto its own public blockchain, Vechain, changing its VEN tokens over completely to VET, as well as adding the Vechain gas token VTHO. It has since developed into a venture-centered multi-coin IoT and inventory network the board environment and has effectively settled a significant client base. With the assistance of Dispersed Record Innovation, DLT, the stage can sort out and smooth out data stream for complex stockpile chains. It utilizes two essential tokens: Vechain Energy, a savvy contract layer, and Vechain Token, or VET, for conveying esteem across the framework. As per Vechain's white paper, the two-token framework was organized to have a dependable model for decentralized application engineers and guarantee powerful administration. The Vechain white paper frames the stage's fundamental point, which is to make information straightforward and noteworthy. It likewise plans to be an IoT, Web of Things, delegate, and at the very front of introductory coin contributions made utilizing Vechain. By consolidating DLT with IoT perspectives, the Vechain network is satisfying its objective of causing disturbances in the store network industry. Use case: Vechain innovation has a plenty of purposes across different businesses, however has a prompt, critical, and clear advantage inside supply chains. The innovation permits various organizations inside the production network, from dispatches and shippers to merchants and makers, to involve Vechain personality innovation and track things continuously through each stage. With resource digitization, RFID chips and QR codes, inventory network accomplices, makers, and even purchasers can follow the development of any item through the production network and immediately decide its quality and genuineness. Governance: Vechain utilizes an obvious and special administration framework not quite the same as the conventional decentralized frameworks of Ethereum or Bitcoin. It is organized to augment speed, effectiveness, and straightforwardness, where partners with casting a ballot authority select the controlling council leading group of the Vechain establishment. The board then delegates panel seats to regulate the establishment's functional units and embrace techniques. While this model is effective, it forfeits some degree of decentralization. Vechain, VET, value: Vechain is right now worth $0.021018 United States dollars. VET has moved 1.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,898,649. Vechain is right now positioned 41 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,521,041,460 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Vechain, VET, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Vechain, VET, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Vechain, VET, value expectation 2023 Vechain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, VET. The VET cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.031526. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.029425 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. VET is supposed to have a base worth of $0.025221. Vechain, VET, Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024, Vechain VET cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of VET will before long outperform $0.052544. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the VET's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, VET will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.042035 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.046239. Vechain, VET, Value Expectation 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.073562 and VET might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. VET is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.067256 and a low of $0.063053 in 2025. Vechain, VET, Value Expectation 2026 assuming Vechain effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the VET coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, VET will be green in 2026. The VET is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.094579 with a base cost of $0.084071 and a typical cost of $0.088274. Vechain, VET, Value Expectation 2027 after some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the VET cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.109292 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.105088 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, VET has a most extreme value worth of $0.115597. Vechain, VET, Value Forecast 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.130309. In the event that VET figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.136615. Neglecting to assemble the help VET needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.126106. Vechain, VET, Value Forecast 2029. While VET is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year